Song number 1, lesson number 4, easy fingerstyle songs for beginners. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to look in the study guide at the 4th measure. We've done measures 1 and 2, which is the A5 chord, and that sounds like this. Now we're going to do the E minor, okay? So the 3rd measure is what we've learned already in the rhythm pattern. We're going to do virtually the same thing with the E minor, only it's going to be, instead of on the 5th string and the 1st string, it's going to be on the 6th string with our thumb and the 1st string with our middle finger at the same time. So if you're looking at the tablature that's underneath the notes, this is all on page 8. We're starting off the 4th measure, and then we're continuing with the rhythm pattern that we learned. Just like the A5 chord, except we're down here on the 6th string. Okay. So let's just do that a few times. Let's do the regular pattern, you know, the rhythm pattern, and then let's add together these 2 notes. If you've been working on the A5 and you've been adding those 2 notes, this is not really going to be much different, only it's on the bottom string, okay? On the 6th string. So let's just go and start from the 3rd measure. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. Pause. Okay. let's do both of them together, okay? Both 3rd and 4th measure together, and play it a few times together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's both of them together. Third measure. Fourth measure. Third measure again. Here we go. Third measure again. Fourth measure. Okay. So practice that E minor chord, and now what we're going to do, practice playing both of these together, obviously. You know, now one other thing that you could do for the A5 chord is you could just play the 2nd measure over and over again. Okay, that's another way to practice this. Like practice it like. Okay, and I messed that up. Hold on. Practice it like this. And the same thing with the E minor chord, 4th measure. Okay, so as a practice session, what I want to do is let's play measures 1 through 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, up to measure 7. 2. Measure 2. 5. Measure 6. Measure 7. Okay. So the next lesson we're going to study just measure 8, because there's a little bit of a tongue twister, but it's pretty easy. I know you're going to get it, so we'll see you in the next video, lesson 5, okay? And we're just going to work on measure 8 in lesson 5.